Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find and reset your stream key on Twitch. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Twitch, I need you to click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, finding and resetting your Twitch stream key is an important step for streaming securely and ensuring your stream setup is always up to date. Because if your stream isn't broadcasting correctly, checking your stream key can help you diagnose issues. Because if you change, for example, your streaming setup or switch to a new software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs, you'll need to input your stream key to configure the stream, especially if it's first time setting up your streaming software. But of course, if you suspect that your stream key has been exposed or compromised, resetting it helps prevent unauthorized access to your stream. Now, the first thing that we need to do once we are here on our account, I need you to log into the creator dashboard on the upper right corner. Okay, now once it's loaded, you see there's gonna be an option on the left side panel of your dashboard. If you can't find the names for the left side panel of your dashboard, click the expand left navigation. You see this icon right here? There you go. And after that, you need to hover to where it says click on settings. There's a drop down menu where you can click the stream. And of course, this is going to be your primary stream key. And all you're going to do is copy that. All right. Now, remember, if you are sharing your stream key with collaborators and want to ensure they no longer have access, resetting the key will cut off their ability to stream on your channel. All right. And periodically resetting your stream key right here after copying, if you want to reset, is a good practice to maintain the security and integrity of your streaming setup. Now, if in case you encounter any problems along the way with this resetting and finding your stream key and preferences here on the Twitch dashboard, you might want to go here instead. This is the official Twitch Help Center. You just type in your name, your username, and of course your category. And one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix or find or reset your stream key here on Twitch. Also, you can also seek help from Twitch support or community and ask for the stream key to diagnose specific issues related to your stream setup. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.